He tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Matters. So we are moving out to our next episode of learn web development from scratch. I hope you guys have been liking this episode, because please let me know in the comment section. I mean, like, any feedbacks or anything you wanted to meet or you wanted to do, or please let me know, so that it will help me to improvise my the tutorial, and as well as the the procedure of teaching as well. Not in terms of teaching, I mean in terms of representing. So guys, we are moving out to the next episode, that is span tags in HTML. So span tags in HTML is, I would say, it's not the most important, but it is important. So I'll give an example. So let us take the website of JMain, the most the most searched website, I would say. So here, if you see this website, there is a lot of things that you need to project for the user. Project in a sense, like, you have to grab those attention. Let's take this. When we open the website, the first thing we'll see is this red thing, the red dialog box, I mean, like the red message. It is a quite important message, and you want this message to grab the user attention. So you need to put certain property to grab those attention. And let's take this button, this new, something like that. So those all will grab the attention, because those are the important things that you wanted to show. So these things can be made by the span tags. So span tags is generally I would say it's for the purpose of attention grabbing. Simple. Okay, as simple. Okay, we move on to our website building process. I'll close this for you. And so the thing is span tags is for the thing which I said before, that is exactly used, I mean, like, that is specifically used for the inline elements. Okay, now what is the inline element? Inline elements is quite simple, because see, in default, which you are building in our website right now, I've been doing two anchor tags. The previous image as a link, this one is also a link, I mean, like, image as a link. So all these, it comes one after other. If I add something like another image, it's gonna come one after other. These are called the inline property. Inline in a sense, into the line. Okay, so it is coming after the line, same line coming after. That's called the inline elements property. And we this is not the way of making the website cool, because we'll be, after moving on to the further session, we'll be able to once I take up the video of divide tag, that will be useful for the actual, you'll see the actual website building. So these are the examples. Okay, so let me see about the span tags. Okay, fine. So I'll put on the syntax of the span tags right over here. You can see now. So what is the span tag is, let's take, okay, it's fine. Okay, let me type a paragraph tag. We might be knowing it. So let's take, I'd like to like something like let's take the JE. Paragraph that you want to show your user. So I'll copy this first of all and refresh. So this is the span tag, I mean, like, the paragraph tag, sorry. So now when a user takes a page, we doesn't want the user to completely read this page, because what we want to show here is that the exam is being postponed, or the exam is going to conduct on September 2nd week. That's what the thing you want to convey. So what I do is, I'll just specify only this September. It's going to happen in second week of September as a highlight point. So generally it is made for the highlight point. So what I do is, I'll add a span tag here. Okay, as you see the syntax, between the two span tags, I mean the closing span tag and the opening span tag, that should be a text content. So let me do okay, I want the user to I want to grab the user's attention over here. Okay, the second round. Okay, So let me add a span tag, yeah, and I want to close this span tag over here. That's it. Okay, so if I save this, okay, if I save this and refresh, you won't see anything because we haven't done any property in it. So let's make some property. What I'm doing is I'll just change the color of it. Okay, so let me change the color. Oh, before that I need to write style property. As I say, style is the attribute for making the background change or whatever the color change. Style is the attribute that you definitely have to use for that. So let's take color. I just wanted to make it as a red color. Okay, let's save this and refresh. So this is how it looks. So here when the user sees, he will be seeing like second round of JMains is in September 2nd week onwards. That's fine. So that's the basic necessity of a span tag. And other thing you can do is you can change the background property also. That's your wish. Let's say I want to change the background color as yellow. Yeah, I will save this and refresh. So this is how you can play around with the span tags. So this is what the generally about span tag. And there is one more topic over here in span tag, that is a nested span. Nested span is nothing but we have seen nested loop, something like that. So nested means something inside something. I mean like a span tag with inside this span tag. That's called the nested span tag. Sorry, I'm just blabbing something. So yeah, so if you want to add a span tag inside a span tag, it is also simple. So let's say I want to highlight this September 2nd week onwards as red. So what I do is I'll add a span tag over here. Okay, before this I'll add a span tag. Oops, I'll add a span tag, and I wanted the span tag to close here. Yeah, cool, right? So now we'll add a style attribute, and we'll just change the color of this as a red color. Okay, so we're gonna save this. Save is more important. Save and refresh. So now you can see that this thing is changed to a red color. So this is what is nested. But you can ask me like how this September 2nd week has got the background is also like the yellow, because that is what because this comes under the previous span, I mean the parent span tag also. So it takes the color of, I mean the background color as yellow as well as the inner span tag also. So yeah guys, that's how you highlight or grab the attention of the user. So that's the basic use of span tag. And yeah, there's also a couple of uses that you can do with a span tag also, but it is quite advanced. For that you have to know about div tag and some other in CSS also when we come to CSS topics. So that's it for today. I mean like I hope you guys have learned something new, and yeah, please let me know in the comment box like how should we move on with the the videos and all. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Bye bye. Stay cool.